Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all well. Today I've got another fashion video for you. This is 10 ways in which you can dress this dress. To be honest, it's been really nice to just get a dress that's been in my wardrobe for ages and just look at all the ways I could style it, and literally the list is endless. The dress I have on right here is from New Look. I picked this dress because it's more of a neutral colour and it goes with a lot of different things. I absolutely love this dress and I really hope you enjoy this video. watching. I hope it was useful for you. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. I'm thinking about doing a lot more like this sort of style, so maybe like jeans next, or like a shirt or a blazer. Let me know what you'd like to see. All the links will be in the description box if you want to buy any of these items. Obviously some of them are quite old, but I will try and link the nearest possible closest item I can. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in the next one.